In this lesson, you will learn what Fulfilled by Merchant is and how self-service selling works on Amazon. We will begin by understanding Fulfilled by Merchant as a self-service model, and then we will also cover Fulfillment by Amazon. I will explain what Fulfillment by Amazon means and how these two services work and differ in real selling situations. Let us begin. With a global seller account using the self-service model, you are responsible for everything from shipping through delivery. If a buyer wants to return an item, you handle that as well. In simple terms, most of the operational tasks and costs are handled by the seller. Under self-service, every order that appears in your Amazon seller account is processed by you. This means you take care of packaging the product, arranging the shipping, managing delivery, and handling return requests from customers. Amazon mainly provides the marketplace platform that connects the seller and the buyer. It also provides payment processing, order management tools, and the secure infrastructure that allows buyers and sellers to complete transactions safely on the platform. Now, here is something important to understand. Under self-shipping, Amazon still charges its selling fees. These usually include the referral fee, and depending on the marketplace and product category, there may also be additional closing fees or other applicable selling fees. However, Amazon does not charge fulfillment shipping fees in the self-service model the way it does under Fulfillment by Amazon. In the self-service model, the seller is responsible for arranging and paying for shipping using third-party courier or logistics providers. If you charge the customer a shipping fee in your listing, Amazon will collect that amount from the buyer and pass it to you. But the actual courier cost is still paid by you as the seller. Another important point beginners should understand is that even though sellers handle most operations in the self-service model, Amazon still enforces marketplace policies. For example, if a customer claims that the item was not received, arrived late, or was not as described, the buyer may file what Amazon calls an A to Z guarantee claim. In such cases, Amazon may investigate the order and may issue a refund to the customer according to Amazon policy. This is why accurate shipping, tracking, and order management are very important when selling under the self-service model. Now let us move to the second service, which is Fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon is Amazon's warehouse and logistics service. With this service, you send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment warehouses, and Amazon takes responsibility for storing the inventory and managing packaging, order processing, shipping, delivery, customer service, and returns. This can significantly reduce the operational workload for sellers, especially when order volumes increase. However, this service is not free. For handling these tasks on the seller's behalf, Amazon charges specific fees. These usually include fulfillment fees for picking, packing, and shipping orders, along with warehouse storage fees for storing inventory inside Amazon fulfillment centers. Amazon fulfillment warehouses operate in many countries around the world, including the United States, India, Japan, and Australia, along with several other regions. If you choose the Amazon fulfillment service, you can send inventory only to the countries where your Amazon seller account has been enabled to use Fulfillment by Amazon. In practice, sellers create a shipment plan inside Seller Central, and Amazon assigns the specific fulfillment warehouse where the inventory must be sent. This is how Amazon manages inventory distribution across its logistics network. The way to sell globally on Amazon is either through self-service selling or through Amazon fulfillment. Many experienced sellers actually use both models together depending on their strategy, product type, and logistics setup. If you are serious about selling globally on Amazon, it is very important to understand the advantages of self-service and Fulfillment by Amazon, along with the risks connected to each model. Many beginners do not fully understand these differences at the start, and that can sometimes lead to operational mistakes or unexpected losses. In the next lesson, we will look more closely at which option may be more suitable for beginner sellers when selling globally on Amazon, Fulfilled by Merchant or Fulfillment by Amazon.